Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Higher Personality. Have you ever wondered what really sparks a woman's interest? Today, we're delving into a topic that's sure to raise eyebrows and turn heads. The secrets to turning on girls. Whether you're seeking to ignite that initial attraction or strengthen the connection with someone special, you're in for a treat. We're about to unveil 6 powerful tricks that will not only catch her eye, but also capture her heart. So sit tight and get ready for some exclusive insights that will revolutionize the way you approach relationships. Let's dive in. Number 1. Body language mastery. Body language mastery is a game changer when it comes to attracting women. You see, communication isn't just about what you say. It's about how you say it. Your body language speaks volumes, often louder than the words themselves. Imagine this. You lock eyes with someone across the room, and without a single word exchange, you feel that magnetic pull. That's the power of body language in action. Now let's break down why mastering your body language is so crucial. First and foremost, it's all about confidence and attraction. When you maintain strong eye contact, you're signaling to her that you're present, engaged, and confident in yourself. It shows that you're not afraid to hold her gaze and that you have nothing to hide. And trust me, there's nothing more attractive than a confident man who knows what he wants. But it's not just about locking eyes. It's also about how you hold yourself. When you lean in slightly while conversing, you're showing her that you're interested and attentive. It creates an intimate space between the two of you, fostering a deeper connection. Plus, it's a subtle yet powerful way to let her know that you're focused on her and her alone. And let's not forget about posture. Standing tall with your shoulders back isn't just about looking taller, although that's definitely a bonus. It's about projecting confidence and self-assurance. When you stand tall, you command attention and exude a sense of strength and poise. It's like saying to her, "I'm here, and I'm not afraid to take up space." So remember these key tips. Maintain strong eye contact, lean in slightly when conversing, and stand tall with your shoulders back. Mastering your body language will not only make you more attractive, but also more confident in yourself. And trust me, confidence is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Moving on from body language mastery, let's delve into other powerful tools. Number 2. Genuine compliments. First up, genuine compliments. Picture this. You notice something special about her. A twinkle in her eye, a captivating smile, or perhaps her infectious laugh. Taking a moment to genuinely appreciate these qualities can work wonders in making her feel valued and desired. You see, it's not just about showering her with praise. It's about recognizing the unique traits that set her apart from the crowd. So, why are sincere compliments so powerful? Well, for starters, they show her that you're paying attention, that you see her for who she truly is. It's like shining a spotlight on the parts of her that she may not even realize are extraordinary. And trust me, there's nothing more flattering than being seen and appreciated for your authentic self. But here's the catch. Sincerity is key. Avoid falling into the trap of generic praise or empty flattery. Instead, focus on specific qualities that genuinely resonate with you. Whether it's her intelligence, her kindness, or her sense of humor, be honest and genuine in your admiration. After all, authenticity is the cornerstone of any meaningful connection. Number 3. Active listening. Let's talk about active listening. In a world filled with distractions, there's something incredibly refreshing about someone who truly listens. When you give her your undivided attention, you're not just hearing her words, you're understanding her on a deeper level. And that, my friends, is where true rapport is built. So, how can you become a masterful listener? It's all about giving both verbal and nonverbal cues to show that you're engaged and attentive. Nodding along, maintaining eye contact, and offering encouraging words are just a few ways to let her know that you're fully present in the moment. But don't stop there. Take it a step further by reflecting back on what she says. Paraphrasing her thoughts and feelings not only demonstrates understanding, but also shows empathy and validation. Genuine compliments and active listening are like magic keys that unlock the door to her heart. By appreciating her unique qualities and truly hearing what she has to say, you're laying the foundation for a connection that goes beyond surface level. So, go ahead and shower her with genuine praise and listen with an open heart. You never know where it might lead. Number 4, confidence without arrogance. Now let's explore the delicate balance between confidence and arrogance and the importance of injecting humor into your interactions. Confidence is undeniably attractive. It's that inner strength that radiates from within, drawing others in like moths to a flame. When you showcase confidence without crossing into arrogance, you become irresistible in her eyes. So, what's the difference? Confidence is rooted in self-assurance, while arrogance stems from insecurity masked by bravado. To exude confidence, start by mastering your body language and tone of voice. Stand tall, speak with conviction, and let your presence fill the room. Remember, confidence isn't about being the loudest voice in the room. It's about being the most assured. And when you showcase this genuine confidence, you become a magnet for her attention. But here's the caveat. Avoid the pitfalls of arrogance at all costs. Arrogance repels rather than attracts her, leaving a bitter taste in her mouth. Instead of lifting others up, arrogance seeks to tear them down to assert superiority. So, steer clear of boastful behavior and condescending remarks. Instead, embrace humility and treat others with kindness and respect. Now let's lighten the mood with a dose of humor. Laughter is the universal language of connection, bridging the gap between strangers and forging bonds that last a lifetime. When you inject humor into your interactions, you create a sense of ease and comfort that draws her closer to you. Number 5, sense of humor. Humor has the power to break down walls, dissolve tension, and spark genuine laughter. Whether it's a witty remark, a clever pun, or a playful tease, humor adds a layer of charm and charisma to your personality. But remember, humor is subjective, so be mindful of her sense of humor and avoid crossing any boundaries. Incorporating humor into your interactions isn't just about making her laugh. It's about showing her your playful side and letting her see the genuine joy you bring to the table. So don't be afraid to let your sense of humor shine through. After all, a shared laugh is the foundation of a strong connection. Number 6, thoughtful gestures. Finally, let's talk about the power of thoughtful gestures. In a world where grand gestures often steal the spotlight, it's the small, thoughtful acts that leave a lasting impression. Whether it's surprising her with her favorite snack or remembering important dates, these gestures show her that you're attentive and considerate. By paying attention to her likes and dislikes, you demonstrate that you value her as an individual. It's not about the grandiosity of the gesture, but rather the thoughtfulness behind it. So take the time to get to know her on a deeper level and let your actions speak volumes about your affection. Mastering these tricks, from confidence and humor to genuine compliments and thoughtful gestures, will set you apart from the crowd and make you irresistible in her eyes. So, go ahead, put these secrets into practice, and watch as you captivate her heart like never before. In conclusion, mastering the art of turning on girls involves a combination of subtle yet impactful techniques. Remember the 6 key tricks we've discussed today: body language mastery, genuine compliments, active listening, confidence without arrogance, a sense of humor, and thoughtful gestures. Each of these plays a crucial role in building attraction and fostering meaningful connections. I encourage you to implement these tricks with authenticity and respect, recognizing the importance of understanding and appreciating women's preferences. Your efforts to become a better communicator and partner will undoubtedly be rewarded. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy charming.